I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different. Time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently. Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently.
G'day guys, I hope you all enjoyed that build video. Big shout out to the sponsors for this project. Of course, we've got Cougar, we've got Bits Power, we've got ASUS, and of course we have Cable Mod and XPG. We decided to keep all of the LEDs to RGB, as this will be a display build at PAX Australia. So if any of you guys are heading to PAX Australia in Melbourne next week, then be sure to check out this build on the Cougar booth. Now, of course, we will be displaying this build with the tempered glass window. We just leave it off to capture all of the video and all of the photos, so there's no reflection. Inside, we do have an ASUS motherboard paired with an 8th gen CPU. The GPU is the ASUS GTX 1070, and it is all under liquid. We do have white liquid flowing through this custom loop. And of course, we do have this awesome custom reservoir, which you can see with a built-in pump on the back. Now, this is only a display build. It's not going to be used for anything other than staying on idle. So temperatures aren't an issue at all. In fact, it is idling around 20 to 30 degrees, so temperatures are pretty low. Inside the system, we were only meant to have 32 gigs of RAM, but instead we have 64 gigs. So a massive shout out to ADATA XPG for the extra RAM inside this build. And of course, it is RGB and you can control it via software. So we do have all of these flow meters going around the system, so you can see the rate of flow throughout various points of the system as well. And it seems to be holding its flow throughout, which is a good sight to see. Anyway, that about does it, guys. I'll leave all of these specs in the description if you guys are interested, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you liked this video, then be sure to leave it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button and turning the bell notifications on. And guys, if you like PCs like this, then be sure to check out more videos on the channel. We've got lots of custom PCs, water cooling tutorials, reviews, and PC modding guides. So check those out, and we'll see you guys next week for another PC build.